Heartstrings and Handshakes. The delicate art of building dependable loyalty. Stop and think about it for a moment. What makes you loyal to a product or a brand? How about being loyal to a business, a team, or to another person? If you're like most people, you never really thought much about it. However, doesn't it make perfect sense that if you seek loyalty, then it's a good idea to analyze and understand what makes you loyal to something first? Then, when you endeavor to do those things yourself, you can expect to be rewarded by having others who are loyal to you and what you offer. Chances are that if you take the time to really think about it, you'll come up with a number of ideas you have in common with the list I've created here for you. Here are 10 essentials that create loyalty. Number 1, trust. This one is easy to understand. Trust is the foundation of loyalty. People and products must consistently deliver on their promises and demonstrate reliability. When individuals trust someone or a product, they are more likely to remain loyal. Keep your word. The better you do that, the easier it is for others to trust you. 2, consistency. Being consistent in behavior and performance is crucial. Whether it's a person who is dependable and consistently supportive or a product that consistently meets or exceeds expectations, consistency builds trust and that builds loyalty. 3, emotional connection. Loyalty is based on emotions. Find ways to create strong emotional connections with others. People tend to remain loyal to those they have a deep emotional bond with, whether it's due to shared experiences, values, or a sense of belonging. 4, quality and value. In the case of products or services, providing high quality and value is essential. If a product consistently delivers what it promises and meets the customer's needs, loyalty is more likely to develop. 5, communication. Open and effective communication is vital in any relationship. Whether it's a person providing support and guidance or a product addressing customer concerns, good communication builds trust and loyalty. 6, recognition and appreciation. Feeling recognized and appreciated makes individuals more likely to remain loyal. This can include acknowledging a customer's loyalty or recognizing a team member's contributions in a professional setting. Just like sports teams usually have a fan appreciation day, you also need to implement ways to demonstrate your appreciation of others. The military hands out ribbons and medals to those who have distinguished themselves in some manner. It's their way of allowing service members to publicly display their awards on their uniforms. 7, problem resolution. How issues and conflicts are handled can significantly impact loyalty. Swift and fair resolution of problems demonstrates commitment to maintaining a healthy relationship. However, even good relationships can turn sour if someone's loyalty is overlooked by not responding to problems fairly and swiftly. 8, shared goals and values. When people share common goals and values, they are more likely to remain loyal to each other. This sense of alignment creates a strong bond and commitment. Always seek to point out those things you share in common. People need to feel that they are part of something bigger than themselves. 9, convenience and accessibility. For products and services, ease of access and convenience can contribute to loyalty. When something is readily available and hassle-free, customers are more likely to remain loyal. On a personal level, you want to be accessible to answer questions and provide information whenever needed. If it's difficult for customers or downline members to reach you, they'll soon stop trying. 10, experience and satisfaction. A positive experience, whether in a relationship or with a product, leads to satisfaction. A satisfied person or customer is more likely to stay loyal. This is why it's so important to make certain that when customers and new reps receive their products, that you provide very specific instructions about how to use them. Set realistic expectations for them. Don't assume anyone has read or understood the instructions. Take the time to walk them through the beginning steps to help ensure they have a positive and satisfying experience right from the start. Here's a bonus idea: loyalty programs and incentives. You can reinforce and help sustain a customer's loyalty through programs that offer rewards and incentives. It's good business to provide customers with tangible benefits for staying loyal. Remember, it's a two-way street. Finally, it's important to note that loyalty between people is not just a one-way commitment. It's a two-way street. Both parties in a relationship must contribute to building and maintaining loyalty. For products, consistent quality and value are key. In personal relationships, trust, communication, and emotional connection play vital roles. And there you have it, the best and most effective ways to gain long-lasting loyalty from your customers and your downline reps. Be sure to check out all my free training sessions and download my free guides. Visit me at www.maxsteingart.com for all the details. www.maxsteingart.com